Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to add cover pic on Facebook group. Why would you want to know how to add a cover pic on Facebook group? Well, maybe it is your first time using Facebook and not sure how to add cover pic on Facebook group. So today I am going to show you how to add cover pic on Facebook group. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding cover pic on Facebook group is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will add a cover pic on Facebook group. First of all, open Facebook app in your device, and now here is my Facebook home screen. Now first click on three lines in the right top corner and then click on groups. Now in this new screen, first open your group and then click on edit button. Now click on upload photo and then select your pic from gallery. Now click on save and your cover pic has been uploaded on Facebook group. So there you go. If you were wondering how to add a cover pic on Facebook group, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.